Taking care of a dog is more than giving food and water. Regular healthy care to live a happy and healthy life. A well cared for dog becomes a loyal companion and an important part of the family. Feed your dog properly. A healthy diet is one of the most important part of the dog care. Choose high quality dog food that match your dog's size, age, and activity level. Puppies, adult dog, and senior dog all have different Always provide clean and fresh water. Avoid give harmful human foods such as chocolate, grapes, and excessive sauce snack. Experts also recommend keeping an regular feeding check. Always provide clean and fresh water. Avoid giving harmful human foods such as chocolate, grapes, and excessive salty snacks. Experts also recommend keep a regular feeding schedule to have digestion and maintain a healthy weight.